Hi traders, today is 19th of March 2020. We are now live day trading WTI Crude Oil Market, NYMEX May 2020 contract CLEK 20. So at this moment we have received one short signal from my live Telegram channel to short sell the market at 22.46 and TP at 22.28. So based on this current situation, it looks like the market have rise to the opposite side, so we will wait on the lower side. Hopefully during this time the market will reverse back to the downward movement and fill our order and hit the TP area. So okay, this is going to take some time. So time now is 9:18 a.m. New York time, and have to be careful. Maybe today, if I'm not mistaken, oh no, nothing's here. So let's wait and see for tomorrow. Let's wait and see later on. Hopefully the price reverse back to the downside. I will pause this video and we'll resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So I missed to record this price move. So as you can see just now, the price moved to the higher side, reaching the VWAP line, and then turned sharply down. And when it turned, it hit the entry point at 22.46 based from my live Telegram channel. Okay, so we already hit the TP. So the TP is 22.28, and at this moment we can see that the price already hit this green color for my exit, hit the TP, and the purple one is the entry. So this one is the quick job, $180 in profit. So I didn't manage to record it live because I was in the Russell 2000 market watching the chart, and suddenly I saw the crude turn down and hit the entry, got fill, and then hit the TP. So it was a good $180. There's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it to join my live Telegram channel, and that's how I do it during US session. One trade per day. So within the first 30 minutes, so it should be one trade of an epic trade. Should be a quick one. So let's take a look how long this trade took place. Alright, let's take a look how long this order took place. So we did enter at 9:41 34 seconds and exit at 9:43. So I bet it's around 3 minutes or less, actually 2 minutes and 30 seconds or 26 seconds. So I assume it is 3 minutes from the, this is my local time, 9:41 p.m. So New York time is 9:41 a.m. in the morning, and also 9:43 a.m. in the morning. So it was a quick trade, 3 minutes, $180. So it was a good trade actually, based from okay, no position less, purchase and sales is 180. So that's all for today. I'm watching another chart at this moment, the index chart for S&P. So hope you guys enjoy this trading, and also subscribe my live signal for crude oil, and also E-mini, Russell, and also the Dow Jones. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.